Cheiraoba festival is being celebrated today by the people of Manipur, marking the end of the Manipur year and the beginning of new year with pomp and splendor. Tension prevailed at the state-run hospital as the family of the deceased claimed that Longdam Ongbi Santombi of Nongdam Awang Laikai died due to medical negligence. Manipur Chief Electoral Officer CEO P.K. Singh has rejected the allegations by Naga People's Front NPF that the EVM strong room of Churachandpur district has been tampered. He was addressing the media at his Lamphel office today. Assam Chief Minister Sarvananda Sonowal again asserted that whatever Prime Minister Narendra Modi has done for the people of Assam in 5 years, the Congress could not do it even in their 70 years of rule. Activities in hospital and private practice of doctors in Tripura have resumed after doctors and health workers declared to suspend their agitations for the time being. The decisions came after they expressed their satisfaction on meeting the State Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev, who had already ordered for setting up of police pickets in the major hospital and arrest those involved with the physical assault of this surgeon. The Election Commission of India has fixed April 15 as the date for conducting re-poll at Meghalaya's Konachar polling station under Sansela Assembly constituency. Assam Governor Professor Jagdish Mukhi greeted the people of Assam a happy Rongali, Bihu and Assamese New Year. After All India Congress Committee AICC President Rahul Gandhi, it's now time for another star campaigner of the Congress, Priyanka Gandhi, to visit Silchar to campaign for the party candidate contesting the Silchar Lok Sabha seat on Sunday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday said that the BJP will get more seats in 2019 as the wave in its favor is even stronger than that in 2014. Addressing a rally in Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua, Prime Minister Modi said people have proven the strength of democracy in India in the first phase of election. The world's largest airplane, a straight-to-launch Behemoth with 2 fuselage and 6 Boeing 747 engines, made its first test flight on Saturday in California. The mega jet carried out its maiden voyage over the Mojave Desert.